Make free money using these apps that we've never talked about on this channel. It may sound unbelievable, but yes, you can get paid through these apps absolutely free without doing any work or watching boring ads. You only need to download them and install them on your phone, and you're good to go. You can go about your daily routine as the app runs in the background creating passive income for you. Be sure to watch this video till the end to know these apps and how to use them to make free money. Hello everyone and welcome back to Money Machine. If you're already enjoying this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon. Don't forget to smash the like button. If you've any suggestions, questions, or concerns, leave a comment down below. So without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. As earlier mentioned, this video will be discussing apps that will get you paid doing nothing. So make sure to watch this video from the start to the end so that you don't miss out on any of these apps. The apps we're going to share with you here are 100% legitimate and will pay you without a doubt. You'll get to have a look at their reviews just to prove to you that they're working effectively. So let's get straight to the first app that we're going to look at today. This app is called Smore. Now this app is only available for people in the US. Therefore, if you're watching this video from the US, then this is a good app for you to make passive income. It is a legit method as it has achieved a 4.4 star rating with over 50,000 reviews from different users. This is enough to make you believe that you can make good money on the app. So, how does it work? Smore displays ads on your phone's lock screen so that anytime you lock and unlock your screen, you get to see some ads, and they'll pay you for simply displaying the ads on your phone. The good thing is that it doesn't matter how many times you unlock your phone throughout the day, you'll get the same amount of points even if you don't unlock your phone. You don't need to click on anything or watch anything. Just have the ads display on your phone lock screen. This is the same as saying you don't have to do anything to get paid. All you need to do is simply install the app and sign up to get started. You're assured of a free 25-point entry reward, which you'll receive the first time you sign up. The Smore app also allows you to make money by watching videos or taking surveys in the app. Another way you can get paid on the app is through referrals. It is easy to sign up and there are no obstructive ads. Let's move on to the next app, and that is Mobile Expression Panel. This app pays you to collect data from your phone. It is very popular when it comes to mobile phone data collection. You may be wondering what kind of data this app collects on your phone. Well, as you can see here, they track your usage of the internet and the kind of apps you use on your phone. You don't need to do anything but install the app on your phone, sign up, and whenever you browse or use any app, Mobile Expression tracks you and pays you just for that. This app is legit as it has gathered over 50,000 reviews and has a rating of 4 stars. So as you can see, you can make cool passive income here. But if you want more income, the app also has paid surveys that you can take. You can also earn rewards through weekly sweepstakes provided you have the app installed and running. If you're enjoying this video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, continue watching for the secret tip to help you leverage these apps and earn huge passive income. Now moving on to the third app, and we have Money SMS app. You can get access to this app's website by visiting moneysmsapp.com. Unlike the previous apps we've talked about, which pay you by collecting data from your phone, Money SMS app pays you for receiving text messages on your phone. You don't have to panic about that, as they will not steal your data or look through your SMS. However, this app is only available to Android users. But with time, we expect iOS to be included soon for total inclusivity. So why would Money SMS app pay you for just receiving messages on your phone? Well, they use your phone in trying to ensure SMS messages from mobile network operators are being received properly from foreign locations. What happens is that the network operators pay the app for this service, and you get a small cut of this revenue. Interestingly, you don't have to do anything with the message when you receive them. The network will automatically complete their check to ensure the message was successfully delivered and you get paid. You only need to install the app on your phone, run it, and wait for a test SMS, which you can then delete once your account is created. However, if you still want to earn more through Money SMS app, then you've got a realm of opportunity. As you can see, the app has a referral system through which you can also earn passive income by simply referring the app to your friends and family. For any successful referral, you earn 30% from the earnings of the person you refer. How amazing is that? You can indeed create a passive stream of income from the earnings of the people you refer to long ago. The more people you refer, the more you earn in passive income. The referral program makes this app a perfect means of earning. This app has received a 4-star rating on Google Store with over 3,000 reviews from different people across the globe. Well, as you can see, the app is not as popular as the ones we've mentioned above, probably because people may tend to fear that the app may end up reading their messages. However, by sampling a few reviews, we get to see that this app has great reviews, which simply implies that the app is legit and can get you paid. The fourth and last app that I would like you to know is the Panel app. You can visit his website at thepanelapp.com to download the app and get started. The Panel app gets you paid by allowing it to run on your phone background collecting data. You can also get paid by completing surveys or earn through sweepstakes and prizes. However, their surveys are a bit longer and don't measure up to the earnings. Another important thing to know here is that this app does not intrude into your privacy by stealing data, and also it doesn't affect your phone's performance. The app simply measures device data, including apps and location, for market research and analytics. So that is how they get you paid. All you need is to install the app and allow it to run in the background as you go about your business to get paid. The most interesting thing is that the app will work for both Android and iOS, which makes it fit for anyone regardless of the phone they own. Moving on to reviews. And as you can see, the Panel app has a rating of 4.3 stars with 80,000 reviews. And looking at the Apple Store, the app has garnered 4.6 stars with over 40,000 reviews. This clearly shows you that the Panel app is legit and can surely make you passive income. Now, before the video ends, we have a secret tip for you. How do you leverage to earn even more using the apps we've just shared with you in this video? Well, you only need to install all the apps we've shared with you here. Why is that important? Simple. Having all the above 4 apps collecting data on your phone may pay you more than just having a single app. This will surely help to increase your daily earnings and even create for you a consistent stream of passive income each month. So, that was it for today, guys. How did you feel about this video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, leave a like. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to be the first to know whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.